Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to get your own personal server working on your own computer for plugins and a bucket server or spigot server, whichever one you want to use. And so here I'm using you will have to pay this way to get the plugins really easily. And I find this actually very helpful. And so you're going to need 3 websites, which I will have a link in the description below on to get to them. But yeah, here it is server.pro. It is what I used before this to host my servers. And so as you can see, I have one for Forge, and let's just skip this update. I have one for Forge. I have one for my actual I was using 47 minutes ago, and I have one for me to mess around with plugins and all. So it was pretty easy, but you can there's Minecraft and Minecraft PE. You can do north and south. I'll show you quickly how to do this. You can have a free version or a premium, which allows you a lot more. The free version is very simple, 5 gigabytes hourly. You can have 10 plugins, a 2-core processor, 12 players, and you have to reset it every hour, but it's completely free. And so look, I will go ahead and show you. Free server at, you can choose one of these, server.nu. Okay, it's not taken. And so hourly 0.5 gigabytes, I want spigot, let's say. And so look at that, we can select a memory, hourly and 0.5 gigabytes, because that's all we got. And this is for the free server, so you can create server. And here we go, look at this. Now once you do this, it's easy. Here we're going to use 1.12.2. You can go to what here it says File Manager. It's starting up, as you can see on the console. It's preparing spawn area. Yeah. So in the file here, there are folders all over here. So what I suggest you do is first go over here to where it says plugins, and depending on what kind you want, spigot or bucket. I am using spigot, but I think both of them work on both of them. It really doesn't matter. So you can go ahead and look for plugins like Vault. We'll go ahead and search Vault, and we can install latest. And now we'll go get CC Economy. Yeah, here's one. It's a really easy economy, but it's not. I mean, I don't know. It's pretty easy to use. It's just what you have to do. So then let's see, perms, get perms, we'll do, factions, a better one. Factions, see, look at that, I've already installed 3 plugins, so done. And as you can see, if you go in the file manager and go to plugins, they are right here, and no clue what's in there. And so now, in order to get these on your own computer, what you would do is you would go ahead and let me go ahead and move my downloads just over. Done. I don't know where that's being used. Can I not? Oh, no wonder. I'll put it in most downloads. Sorry guys. So what you would do is you would it takes a little bit. You would go through, click every single one till it turns blue. Don't click the words, otherwise it opens it. But depending on how many you have, go ahead and click all of them, and you'll have them. And then hit download. So we'll go ahead and download. It's gonna download a server.tar, which if we open up here, show all. So it is downloading our our server.tar, which is a tar file. I will show you how to open that later, but it'll download this, and once it's done I will show you what to do with it. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and apparently that's the print hotkey, ha ha ha. But here we go. Let me just check. Yeah, we're recording. Sorry guys, I'm kinda all over the place now. So now it is downloaded. It didn't take too long, but the more plugins and stuff you have, the more worlds, the longer it takes. So we're gonna go ahead, show in folder, and if you want to know, it's pretty easy. You could do that, or you can open your folders and go on to downloads, and it'll be right here, which is actually what I moved over here earlier. The same thing, but with less stuff. You can open it up, and I use express zip file compression, my zip.zip, unlicensed and non-commercial home use only. Now just pretend I'm not using it for commercial use. I don't think this is commercial, so I use the demo version because features are restricted, but it works enough. And as you can see, everything that was there is also here in this zip folder. So now what we can do is we can search the extract location, click browse, and you can choose where you want it, or I can make a new folder, YouTube. I'll call it YouTube extract so I don't lose it, and then we'll make, oh wait, extract here is what you'll click. And now, as you can see, YouTube extract is the folder that it'll extract to. And then don't overwrite, just leave it alone. It's pretty easy. And I don't know how to get I don't know how I got this, so I'll try to get a link in the description for you guys. But other than that, I'll do my best. And so once you do that, you'll go ahead and hit extract all, okay? And so it goes really fast, and then you can exit that, and you can exit that, and once you've done so, here is, where is it? Extract, YouTube extract. Goodness Lord, where did it put it? You know what, we'll look for it. YouTube. And you'll just search the name of the folder, because for some reason it doesn't know where I put it, and it's taking forever too. What do you know? Come on, green bar, there can't be that much to look through. It's only the entire PC. I mean, hey, not like I could do it any faster. So searching. I would have gotten distracted by now and played a game or something, so hey, at least the computer's on task, right? So here we go, it's almost done. It is almost, alright, it's still searching, but it feels like an eternity. Look at that, look at that. Oh, wait, no. It's almost there. Don't slow down now. Guys, if you have gotten bored doing this, you could just skip a couple seconds. I do my best to shorten it, so yeah, look at that. It is literally right there, and it doesn't want to speed up. But yeah, I just searched the name of the folder right there, and it'll pop up right here. Come on. Guys, the struggle is real. It is still going. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I figured out where it was put, which is kind of funny. It was in this folder. I didn't mean to put it, but we'll go ahead and move it to the desktop, because that was driving me insane. It couldn't find it, that's why. So here's your named folder right here. We'll go ahead and open that, and we'll have a new folder. Sorry, that's also another folder. And you'll have all the folders you downloaded. Now, once you have this, you have everything you need for the what's it called? I'm so sorry. I just it's like 12, it's like 9, 10 o'clock. My computer time is wrong, sorry guys. But you have all the downloads. In order to get the server running, we need the run.bat. And so in order to get that, we don't need it. It's not here, sadly. So that's what this is for. It's a free server for an hour. So here we have a spigot, we have, no, not what I want. Well, in order to, I'll show you how to get this. This is the spigot, and this is the craft bucket jar and the spigot jar, which is what you need in order to work each of the mods. But let me just real quick grab the other download and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and I really need to fix the print hotkey, honestly. But sorry, and I pulled it up again. I didn't pull it up before the video, and I'm sorry about that, so I'll do my best. But in order to get what runs all these files here, you need the run.dat, and to get that, I will put a link in the description. It is right here. You will go, wait, no, right here, run.bat. I always say dat, why? But you'll go to this informatics tech, which I'll have the link. It'll be easier with the link. You'll scroll down to install bucket server run.bat, and you will just click it just once, and it will download. And you can show in folder, and you will literally, I downloaded too, so we'll get the one that says run.bat. If it says that, just rename it to that, run.bat. So we'll just cut. What you'll do is you'll cut it, and you will go to the folder, and you will just paste it in here, just like that. And then once you get that, you will get this the spigot 1.12 jar. In order to get that, I will show you now. You will go to this website here, the getbucket.org. I will also have a link in the description. I will have all the links in the description now that I think about it. And you will choose one of these to download. And so we're gonna go ahead and download spigot, and it'll be here, the jar. So you'll just click that, and it should go right to the download. And so it'll take a second, 26 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute. Come on, jar. But anyway, you can do that. And if you want, that's the spigot, or you can do the craft bucket if you're doing a different type of mod. If you want to do the other type, which is okay by me, I do not exactly know the difference, and you guys could probably look that up. It's real easy, but they both work. And for some reason I learned with spigot, which is literally easy enough. So yeah. And yeah, once it's downloaded, it'll say it could be harmful. I keep it because it has not broken my computer yet, so we're gonna show it in the folder. So once you have it, you're gonna rename it. Instead, and don't delete the whole thing, you'll have it spigot.jar. So just get rid of all those numbers and the dash, and just call it spigot.jar. So now we'll cut, and we will paste it into that other folder right here, spigot.jar. And this is the same thing, guys, except not renamed. I'm leaving it there, but you can take it and rename it if you wish. I do have the other one in my other world, or other server. Guys, I'm losing my mind here. Oof, sorry. And so, but it doesn't hurt you at all. And once you have that, you are ready. All you do is go to the run.bat, and you will double click it, and this window will come up. And so wait, we need craft bucket. So as you can see, if it does not accept the spigot, I don't know why it didn't let it. Oh, maybe it's because it's the bucket. No wonder. But it says the craft bucket, so we'll just press any key. And we will go ahead and see if we have the bucket. Craft bucket. Look at this. We'll just copy and paste it in here. So as you can see, it is literally the same. You take it, rename it, just without the numbers, just craft bucket. Done. And you can leave the spigot, it will not hurt you at all. And so you download it from the same site I showed you. And now that that's installed, we go to run.bat again, double click it, and that will make that big. And let's just watch using default, preparing spawn area 12, 16, 21, 26, 30. I'm just gonna quit repeating numbers, sorry guys. Here we go. 50%, 75%, 94, and it is checking for updates. There are no new versions, it's just kind of going, and now I think it is done. So now what you would do is actually, funny enough, open your Minecraft, and to connect to this game right here that we just started, you would go to the version it's in. So this one we installed 1.12.2, go to that, and we will wait for my very slow game to install it. So we're just gonna go ahead and say, this is where you type in normal Minecraft commands, but through this is the command prompt. So this would be the server for the this thing. And so we'll just let my game start up, and I will show you. My game is always slow, I'm sorry guys. Here we go. So once you have your game up and ready to go, you will go to multiplayer, and as you can, oh wait, we'll go ahead and type in local host, and that will take you to the server. So we'll go ahead and put in YouTube server, done. And so we'll go ahead and refresh it. And why is it not going? I know this is working. This is really gonna bug me. Oh, and this is the server I was playing on earlier, that one I showed you. I'm going to get this one online for you guys, so that if you wish, you can come join me. And yeah, but let me just fix that problem. I'll be right back. Okay, well, I pulled up my server because I could not figure out why that one didn't work, but I did this the same way. And so here we got the all these worlds actually in the plugins folder, just like the others. I've got quite a few plugins, some worlds, the bucket YML, and run.bat, spigot.jar, and craft bucket, because I actually don't know which one it is. But you'll go ahead, double click that, and we'll go ahead and make it big so I can read everything at once. And we'll refresh. And so this one and this one are both going to connect because they're both localhost. And so they will both connect to this server. As you can see, all the pretty colors. 2.13.1 massive core. Look at that. And so preparing spawn area for, that is an old school I went to, guys. Please ignore it. And here I am pointing it out. Man, I just no. I need to work on that. Don't know what, but that. So yeah, we'll just hurry on. This will take a while, sorry, because if anything, this oh, hub world, okay, it's finally doing that one. Wow, look at all that. Alright, and so we'll just let it refresh. No, wait. Staff. Oh, it's still going, guys. Look at that. Sorry, this is a 20-minute video. That's how I do the timer. And so, and giant. Oh my lord. This is taking a while. But, I want to let y'all see everything to be sure you can see how it works and all, but I don't want to make it a 45-minute video, so I'm trying. Come on. A world guard. Look at that. Oh, wow. Refresh. We'll just refresh until we get it, right? It should be almost there. Alright. There we go. Look at that. It is up. I tried moving something and it didn't work, so you type in localhost and it will connect. See? And so we'll go ahead and join, but it is the same as my other server. And so as you can see now, we're in the server, and I have a very simple one. It works. The plugins are pretty easy. I'm Herobrine, wahaha. You type /help and you can see some of the plugins there, /plugins I think, and that'll give you all the plugins that are in there. 36 plugins that I have installed. If you want, you can check these out. They're fun to mess with. I don't want to see that. And yeah, Empire command signs I actually forgot how to use, so guys, yeah. And then if you want a quick tour, fine. My cactus farm. This is the survival world. This is the hub. I am operator, yes, but it still puts me in survival. So here are my survival games. I have some simple things set up. I like it. And so yeah, I'm planning on putting a secret here, but I don't know if I should. I'll probably put it somewhere in there. I don't know why it's just not loading in. And so yeah, that's the server pulled up and everything, and that you'll spawn up there, answer a question, come down here and get some rules if you ever join. So yeah, thanks for watching. And oh, and if you'd like to know a quick way to edit parts of the server, what you would do is you would go to the folder and you go to server.properties. You double click it, and here you can mess with a couple things. So I like to change it to, where is it? Hardcore is fun. And then you can go to, where'd it go? Enable command blocks. I put that to true so that I can have some fun builds. It could lag you, but I like it. There's the difficulty. You can change everything in here, and so it's pretty good. I like it. But anyway, it will not be online, not exactly. And so in order to do that, you have to port forward, and I will do that in another video. But thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment. Every comment helps. Please let me know what you want to see, and I will do my best to show you how to do it. And any games, suggest them. So please subscribe for the games. Subscribe, and I will play all these games. There are like 9 of them. There's like 9 of them, 10 of them. Wait, no, is Roblox a game? No, I think Roblox is just a website. Never mind. There's 9 of them. And then all my weird apps. And so we can mess with Photoshop maybe, but I'll buy more. And I will see you guys next time.